Today we are going to learn about words we know. Let's start. अंग्रेजी में हम जो वर्ड्स इस्तेमाल करते हैं आज हम उसके नाम देखेंगे. हाँ जारिया, what is this बेटा?
This is a touchpad.
Thank you. What is this?
This is my cooker.
This is my cooker. What is this?
This is my cup.
This is my cup. What is this?
This is my paintbrush.
Very good. What is this beta?
This is my table.
This is my table. What is this? This is a fridge. What is this?
This is ice cream.
This is ice cream. What is this?
This is a pin.
This is a pin. Very good. What is this, Hanif? This is my bag. What is this then?
This is a bus.
This is a bus. What is this?
This is a towel.
Very good. This is a towel. What is this, Hafsa? This is a duster. What is this, Arbia?
This is a pencil.
Very good. What is this, Mariam?
This is a pen.
This is a pen. What is this?
This is my biscuit.
This is a biscuit. What is this? This is a mobile phone. Who are you? I am a
doctor.
Very good. I am a doctor. Clap your hands. All of you, nice activity.